In the name of Allah. Hi everyone, today I want to show you in this video how to PDF to Excel convert online. Step by step learning. Subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Alright, let's jump on the PC.
Let's say you have a PDF and you want to how to PDF to Excel converter online. So to convert the PDF to Excel, just click the link in the description. Open the site. This is the site which will help us convert a PDF to Excel document. So click select file and then select the PDF which you want and click open. Then select the language you want and here select the Microsoft Excel document format. Then click convert OK. As you can see, we have get the PDF converter to the Excel document. Now to download the file, click download and the file will be downloaded to your computer. Now if you open it, you can see that the PDF has been converted into Excel document. This is how to PDF to Excel converter online. It's a very easy way. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next video. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.